Okay, let's solve another JavaScript question. Here, you're given an array and a positive integer. You have to check, hey, is this positive integer the sum of any of these two values of the array? Well, how can we do that? First, let's do a for of loop. So const, I'll call this num of the array. So what's our strategy here? Well, our strategy is every time that this for loop runs, we're going to take the sum minus the value that it's looping through. And we're going to save that difference. Okay, so const, I'll just call it diff, is equal to sum minus the current number that we're on. Okay, now that we have the difference, thanks to basic math, we can just check if, hey, if this difference exists in the array, then the sum is possible. Okay, so then we can just do if my ARR dot includes what? Dot includes the difference. So if it does, first I'm going to return so we don't keep on looping. And then let's just console.log and say possible. And then sum is equal to just the number plus the difference. Okay, so if you look on the right, you see that, oh, hey, we called this array with 9, and it says, okay, one of the sums is 3 plus 6. Now, we see that 0 plus 4 is 4, so 4 should be possible. See, 7 plus 5 is 12. We should see that 12 should be possible. Cool. Now, outside of this for loop, we can say something like console.log. Let's put our return statement down here because we're still inside the loop. And then console.log, let's just say sum is not possible with, and then let's make this look nice, ARR. Now, let's say we change this to 112. It's going to say that, hey, I cannot make this sum with any of these two pairs, right? Now, to improve this just a little bit, instead of includes, which will search the whole array, we can do something that stops once it finds that number, right? So let's see, we can do my ARR dot sum. Okay. So if any of the numbers inside of my ARR, we'll call that val. If val matches, right, the difference, then, yep, our code still works. Cool, right?